Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use voice shortcuts on iPhone. So first of all, just open up your settings application here. Then make sure you are updated to iOS 18. Scroll down and tap on this option accessibility. Again, scroll down to find vocal shortcuts. Here it is. Just simply tap on it. Now click on this setup vocal shortcuts. Then click on continue. Now choose for which settings you want to set up a shortcut. For example, I am selecting here screenshots. Tap on it. Then it asks to add a unique phrase to run this action. Enter your desired command like I am going for take screenshot. Once done, click on go on your keyboard. Now you have to speak. You enter the phrase 3 times. Then if you want to add another, you can click on this add another, or else you can click on continue. Now go to the place you want to take a screenshot, then say your phrase. For example, mine is take screenshot, and there you can see your phone takes a screenshot with your voice. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel.